So I was trying to write some firmware for the old AC power supply that I'm working on, and here is the controller. It's gonna be to select your amperage and things for the cutoff, and it's also gonna display the voltage and current, actual amperage, power factor, and power, etc. as you page through it. That's why I have these little guys to select and move through it all. And I got a digital to analog converter to actually put out a good wave. And here's what we get on the oscilloscope. I have it cycling up 15 at a time every few set of milliseconds, I think 15, and it just keeps cycling up. And we got our readout here. We're 2.27, and I got the OLED working on the same serial connection, and it's climbing up the same speed, 2.911 right there. And they're matching up fairly nice. If I stop it, it does stop about the same. I have a tiny bit of a little filter here just to stop the jigglies on it. But this was the first try throwing it all together, and it's working perfectly. That is beautiful. Up to 5. Once it gets to 5, it'll drop. And boop. There we go. Now I had a pause button on it so that I could test the actual and where it's at, and I was running one for the analog 0 so that I could look on the computer as to where it thinks it is. And as long as I'm using the reference straight off the Arduino, it looks fine. The reference on the board I have, because the reference voltage that it gets is going to be pretty much what decides it. And the reference voltage on the board's coming off of a voltage regulator that tests perfect with my meter. Just coming out, this has a voltage regulator about the same, and it's looking nice. I think it'll work for my purposes. I only need like 100 milliamp resolution. That's what I'm looking for. Ain't gotta be down to nothing, but I do want a hard cutoff to where when the voltage that comes off of a Hall effect sensor that translates the amperage into, say, like a small amount of voltage, when it's compared to the voltage generated by this that you set with the keypad, it's gonna cut off the actual AC power using two different methods. It's going to have a solid state relay and a regular mechanical relay. The solid state's a little faster, but we have the mechanical for safety in case the overamperage could ruin the solid state, and actually the mechanical is going to be needed. So I think it's coming along nice. It's been a long wait to get this little puppy. A long wait.